How did you find out about Gold Coast?
I have a friend who used
There you
Gold
go.
Coast.
She's getting ready to go to Vegas.
Yay!
So,
First, I think, redo her bathroom, and she ended up redoing her whole house. I asked her who she was using, and she referred me to Gold Coast.
The cabinets were in bad shape.
Yeah, it was bad. We had one lighting fixture on the ceiling that collected bugs. The floor always looked
Dingy.
dirty.
It was white, and the grout had been, you know.
The entryway was a doorway, so getting in the kitchen was difficult because of the refrigerator.
The demolition was really, really quick. So
And it was clean. They sealed off the
doorway,
which helped tremendously. I've always liked Saltillo tile, and I think what we were going for in our kitchen was what our preferences were rather than what the current trends are, because I think we'll like it longer. Always wanted Saltillo tile, and now we have it. We perked it up a little bit with the accent tiles, and then use that same motif with our backsplash.
An inch, give it a little frame.
We always had the yellow wall. I painted the wall years ago. Now we have a little bit more subdued gold.
Right.
Love the backsplash. I like the counters. Of course, that's one thing I knew I wanted was this particular counter.
And the arch, I like the arch.
The arch, yeah.
The accents. The design, as it stands now, it's pretty. Most of it's pretty geometrical, you know. But the veins and the countertops, you know, kind of add some fluidity as well as the different designs, you know. So I think it's a nice contrast to have, you know, splashes of color here and then everything else kind of very geometrical and clean, and that's appealing to me.
Who did the backsplash?
Rob.
Rob did an excellent job. An excellent job, and I just couldn't praise that guy more.
He was an artisan, yeah.
He did that, and he did a lot of the cutting for the tiles on the floor, and did some, you know, extra work on the floor, the sides and whatnot. But just, he was great. Excellent. I mean, everything was done, you know, efficiently and looked great. And I think it came out incredibly well. It just absolutely just beautiful.
Yeah.
And I think, you know, it's just, I think it's a timeless look.
Yeah, I agree.
We definitely felt comfortable with Joey, and that's what made the whole experience for us.
Yeah.
Pictures of the yellow before.
You know, Joey always said, "We'll take care of you. We'll make it good." You know, there's never any pushback. It was always like, "We'll take care of you. We'll do whatever we can to make you happy." He was always a gentleman, always honorable, and always accommodating and assuring over accommodating. You know, I mean, he came and helped us move in the refrigerator and the stove. So can't say enough about that.